You think you know how a man shows his love. You might even believe you've seen all the signs. But sometimes, the way men express their feelings can be very different from what we expect. That can leave you questioning whether his love is real or if he's just going through the motions. It can be hard to tell if a man truly loves you or not, but there are some unmistakable signs that show his heart. In this video, we're going to reveal those signs and help you understand the difference between someone who is genuinely in love with you and someone who isn't. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Welcome to a new video from the Love and Connection channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more relationship insights and comment below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Let's get started. Number 1. Consistent support and encouragement. One of the clearest signs of a man's true love is his unwavering support and encouragement, no matter the situation. He's not just there for the fun, easy moments. He stands by you during the tough times, too. Whether you're chasing your career goals or navigating the challenges of daily life, a truly loving partner is always rooting for you. He celebrates your successes as if they were his own and lifts you up when you face setbacks. You'll often hear him say, "I'm here for you," reminding you that you're never alone. More than just offering words, he actively invests in your personal growth. He wants to see you flourish and achieve your dreams, providing his time, energy, and resources to help you get there. This steadfast support proves that his love is not only genuine, but also deeply rooted in your happiness and success. Number 2. Open and honest communication. At the core of true love is open and honest communication. A loving relationship thrives on trust and understanding, creating a safe space where both partners can express their feelings without fear. When a man truly loves you, he shares his thoughts freely, both the highs and the lows. He's not afraid to let you into his world, sharing his triumphs, doubts, and even his fears. This openness shows that he values your bond and respects the emotional connection you share. A loving partner listens intently, not just hearing your words, but truly understanding them. He respects your perspective and wants to know how you feel, no matter the topic's size or significance. If challenges arise, he doesn't avoid them. Instead, he confronts issues head-on, working with you to find a resolution. Open communication is a cornerstone of a genuine relationship. When your partner consistently interacts with you this way, it's a clear sign that his love is authentic and built on a foundation of trust. Number 3. Commitment and loyalty. When a man truly loves you, his commitment and loyalty are undeniable. He willingly invests his time and effort into nurturing your relationship, knowing that a strong bond requires continuous care and dedication. This isn't just about grand gestures. It's the daily actions, the small but meaningful moments, that show his devotion. Faithfulness and honesty are at the heart of his loyalty. He remains true to you, honoring the trust you've placed in him. His loyalty shines brightest during challenging times, whether you're facing personal struggles, relationship difficulties, or external obstacles. Instead of withdrawing, he steps up, offering his support and standing by you through thick and thin. From everyday acts of kindness to making plans for a shared future, his actions reflect his desire to build a lasting connection with you. He ensures that you feel like his priority, leaving no doubt about where you stand in his life. This unwavering dedication and loyalty are clear signs of a love that is genuine, deep, and enduring. Number 4. He talks about the future with you. When a man truly loves you, the future isn't just about him. It's about both of you. If he's making plans for a concert next month or saying "we" instead of "I," it's a clear indication that he sees you as part of his life moving forward. True love goes beyond living in the moment. A loving partner is comfortable discussing upcoming holidays, future goals, or even where the two of you might be a year from now. While no one can guarantee what the future holds, his willingness to envision it with you demonstrates a deep level of commitment and emotional investment. This isn't about setting every detail in stone, but rather about showing that he values the relationship enough to include you in his plans. If he talks about tomorrow and beyond, it's a strong sign that his love for you is genuine and worth exploring further. Number 5, he remembers the little things. One of the most heartfelt signs of true love is when a man remembers the little things about you. It's not just about grand romantic gestures. It's the small details that truly show how much he cares. When a man is genuinely invested in you, he listens and takes note of what matters to you, even if it seems insignificant. Maybe he remembers your favorite chocolate, the song you can't stop humming, or the way you like your coffee. These thoughtful moments reveal that he's not just hearing you, he's truly paying attention. It's these seemingly minor details that speak volumes about his feelings. By remembering the little things, he's showing that he values you, your happiness, and the unique bond you share. This kind of care and attention is a beautiful expression of genuine love. Conclusion. It can sometimes feel challenging to know if a man's love for you is real. But recognizing these 5 signs can help you distinguish between someone who is truly in love with you and someone who might not be as invested as you thought. If your partner shows these behaviors, it's a clear indication of genuine affection and dedication. However, it's important to remember that everyone expresses love in their own unique way. Just because some signs aren't present doesn't mean their feelings aren't real. Love looks different for everyone. But if your partner consistently demonstrates these signs, you can feel confident that his love is true and sincere. A healthy relationship is built on mutual respect, care, and emotional connection, and understanding these indicators will help you nurture the bond you share.